Today, take a look at the DURATECH 4-piece E-Torx ring wrench set. Oh, that's cool. Comes with a nice little case. And it has a snap holding it together. We got 4 wrenches and they feel very nice. This has a very nice chrome plating on it. You can see we got 2 sizes per wrench. So we got an E8 and an E6, E10, 12, 14, 18, 20, and 24. So plenty of sizes. Now the thing that makes this stand out to me is the fact that we got a full wrench with a full body on it. And where that's going to come in handy, where I usually have to use E-Torx, is going to be on studs. So if you got a motor stud and you got to pull that out, it's going to have a Torx head on it. This is going to be the only tool that's really going to be able to pull that off, because it's probably going to be rusted, especially if it's going to be on an exhaust, which is where you'll find these things pretty often. And what I've done in the past is I had an E-Torx driver like this, so it was a female, and I put that over that stud and I started spinning it off, but as you can see, it's a 1/4 inch drive. So as I put a lot of pressure on it, it just ended up snapping the drive off the ratchet. So not a great option. With something like this, we have the full strength of this bar holding onto it. So we can just stick that onto that stud and we can put as much pressure as we want to on it. We don't have to worry about it breaking. It's still a good idea to use penetrating oil and give that some time to seep in, but after you get that in, the only thing you got left to do is just spin that thing off. So we got a very nice fit on here. See, that is an E8, and the fact that we can go down even smaller than that, like, this is a very complete set. And then for anything that might spin, like if you're on a camshaft or something like that, and for some reason they put a male Torx head on it, a ratchet with a large Torx head on it, that's going to rotate. And if that rotates, it's going to spin the cams, and that could give you a real problem. If you need to hold that thing steady, it's kind of a niche set of tools, but really, whenever you need it, this is going to be a perfect set to get the job done. So that is an awesome set.